offered by the district attorney to make a deal. Let's see here. Marco Antonio R. asks us, I was accused of a crime of assault, kidnapping, and rape that I did not commit. They are offering me a deal. What should I do? Accept it or go forward with my defense? Look, I'm not going to tell somebody who claims to be innocent to just take a deal. I mean, that's not how it works. However, there are circumstances when, even though you are innocent, you may want to take a deal. For instance, somebody is accused of assault, kidnapping, and rape. That could theoretically carry a life sentence under the one-strike law. Well, if you don't want to take the risk of going to jury trial and potentially being found guilty of something you did not do, then you may want to take a deal, even though you may feel that you are innocent. For instance, let's say, under the circumstances, depending on what the witnesses say, a jury may potentially believe that you're guilty. Well, you're taking a risk right there. Or, it also, you have to factor in what kind of deal you're getting. Now, keep in mind, you're looking at life in prison. Now, if the DA's office is offering you 20 years, no, forget about it. No, you're getting an offer of 5, 6, 7 years, and let's say you're really young, you might want to think about that. Obviously, if you're in your 60s or 70s, you might not want to take any deal because the risk is very high that you might die in prison. The other factor, and by the way, I hate having to discuss this, by the way, because I would like to say, no, you're innocent, you fight it. No, unfortunately, it's not that black and white. The other factor you have to consider is, unfortunately, cost. See, here in the San Francisco Bay Area, criminal lawyers charge, I don't know, $400 to $600 an hour. It's pretty expensive. And you take a case like this to jury trial, you could be in trial for weeks, month, maybe even more than that. I mean, you do something like that, factor in the cost, you might not be able to support paying for trial. You might not have a choice. That's unfortunate, but unfortunately, that is a big problem with our system. That a lot of times you have to make decisions not based on the truth, not based on justice, but based on your pocketbook. But your attorney needs to study your case, and he needs to be able to tell you what you think your chances are of potentially winning a trial. But like I said before, it's not black and white. I'd love to be able to say, oh, well, you're innocent, fight it. No, you need to look at a lot of factors, and I would need to get a lot more information before I could actually give a recommendation. Far more information. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was arrested for taking items from a store. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers. DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys. DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.